Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create account on TikTok. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the TikTok app. So I'm going to click on this. And after clicking on this, we have to wait 50 seconds until it loads. So as you can see, it's loading. And now we have to click on the profile section. So as you can see, the profile section is here. If you have already created an account, then you have to click on the login. You will be able to log in the account. And so basically I'm going to create a new account. So I'm going to cut this, and after clicking on cutting this, as you can see, there's a login option. So you have to click on this. If you have already created an account, then you have to click on the login section, and you will be able to log in. So I'm going to click on this. So as you can see, now we have to click on the my account, sign up. And now simply we have to click on the use phone or email. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, now simply we have to provide the phone number or the email. You have to provide one of them for creating a new account. So I'm none of the above. So simply I'm going to the email section, and after going to the email section, for example, I'm going to write the email here. So as you can see, now we have to click on the continue section, and after clicking on the continue, we have to write the password here. For example, I'm going to add the password. So as you can see, I have inserted the password, and simply we have to click on the next. And now we have to provide the birth date here. For example, I'm going to select my birth date, and now we have to click on the next. So now simply we have to provide our nickname. For example, I'm going to write my nickname here. So let's write that, and now we have to click on the continue. So as you can see, the profile is here. Now simply what we need to do, we have to verify the email. So as you can see, that I have got the email, so I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, we have to verify our email address. So I'm going to click on this. So as you can see, the account is verified. Now we have to click on the open TikTok. So let's click on this. So you can see the profile is ready. Now simply we have to add the profile picture, and after that your account will be ready to use, and you can start uploading. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.